All right, so what we're gonna do is we're going to mix up a batch of Salt Defender ready to use. So we got a mixing bucket, we got a measuring cup. What we're gonna do is about 64 ounces of Salt Defender, and then we'll fill that same jug up 3 times with water. We'll get our 3-to-1 mix. There's our 1 part chemical, and then we'll top it off with 3 parts water, the same measurement. Then we'll run it through our system and do some washing. So we just did a single step wash and rinse using our Salt Defender. You saw that we diluted it down to a ready to use strength. We then ran that through our high pressure downstream system. Just a quick 1 step and rinse. Wintertime washing in cold temperatures, it's not about getting it perfect. It's doing your best to try to stop and neutralize as much corrosion as you can. But even so, just going through it with the Salt Defender, we still got a lot of that dirt and grime off, a lot of that road film. We tried to get underneath the frame as much as we could. And again, we're just doing the best that we can to neutralize salt, help keep the vehicle protected, keep that nice shiny finish, try to prevent rust and corrosion as much as we can.